So I made this video about do brush really matter and why you need different brushes. But in this video I'm gonna demonstrate you why brushes matter, and so let's get started. First of all, let me show you the brush I use. This is the brush I use the most. I downloaded it from Pinterest and here's the QR code so you can download it too. This brush is really fun to use, like you are using watercolor brush and it just give you the feel like that. Let me show you its demonstration. So here I am in IBIS Paint. This is the brush and I will first of all go here and use this drawing paper one as to give some texture to the drawing, so it will give you more digital traditional feel. You can go here in all and use this material paper gray, and you will find it here. It is this one, and if you scroll down you will see so many different paper textures, and these are really helpful. They really help you in giving that traditional art feel. So yep, and then you will have to use a blending mode. I usually use overlay, but you can experiment with different blending modes, and I will draw underneath it. And let's get started. First of all, I will erase half of the material paper to show you how it looks like with material paper and how the drawing will look without material paper. So here you can see I divided it in half, and now it's time to draw. So first of all I'll choose a color, and yep, here you can see the material paper side, and you can see it's looking like you are drawing in a paper, and it really give you a feel like that, exactly the same feel like you are doing watercolor in paper. And if I show you here, you can see it's not giving that much of texture, that much of feel of watercolor, of traditional art. Like here you can see the texture, and it's just looking so good. It's blending great too, and here you can see it's not blending good. There are so many different things. I will also lower the opacity of that material paper layer according to my choice, and you can do that too according to your own choice. It all depends on you. And now here you can see it's like I'm drawing in paper. It's giving me feel like that, and you can see the difference between them, right? So for the second brush I use this Genius pen. I mostly use it for line art and some coloring here and there. Let me show you. I will use the same overlay which is divided in half, and I will draw underneath it. So I'm gonna choose, you will see it in this basic, this is not a custom brush as you can see, and you can also change its thickness. I usually keep the thickness of the end very less to give it that pointy sharp look, and thickness of the start I usually keep it a bit more than that. So you can see this pen also allows you to have a different pressure points, and you can, it's really great for line art. You can see this chart here and you will understand what I'm talking about. It's a really great brush, and it also, like you can see, it looks like it's a crayon marker, or it's you are drawing in paper, the same thing what we are looking for. And here you can see how it looks in where the material paper is not there. It's looking fine I guess, but it's not exactly giving the feel we want. Like you can see the difference here. You can see the textures of paper, and there it's like nothing. Now there are some more brushes I want to discuss about, and they are not custom brushes. I usually use them a lot other than these two brushes too, and that's this fade pen and this dip hard pen and airbrush. Let me show you something about it. So again I'm in IVIS paint, and here I'll draw underneath it, and I'm gonna choose the dip pen hard. I usually don't use it that much, but it's fine sometimes for some shading or line art, but I usually use Genius pen. And here you can see this pen does not provide you that many of texture or that pen pressure, but yep, And now I also use this fade pen. Many people call it round brush. It's also very great for shading and to give that digital feel, but you can see the difference here. I mean, see, the fade pen and the other pen I am dye, that pen might look same, but they are still very different. You can see, I just showed you. And then the airbrush, we all know that it's a very great tool and it really blends things very nicely, but if you use material paper it will blend it much better. So all these things, I mean, you already knew the other pens, and yep, that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and you can use these pens too, and don't forget to use the material pattern. And I'll see you in the next video with more better topic. See ya, bye.